In this video, we're exploring common questions about milk so that you can decide whether is right for your supplements. Many often wonder about its lactose content, the initial investment, how it fits with manufacturing operations, and how it complies with the EU regulation. First, milk is only manufactured with lactose-free ingredients that make it suitable for lactose intolerance. Second, even though milk has a higher cost per kilogram, it also has a lower cost per dose. Its exceptional bioavailability allows to reduce the necessary dose for the same effect. Third, milk is highly compressible and remarkably easy to work with on any existing manufacturing line. Fourth, within milk, the native structure of the ingredients remain unaltered, making it fully compliant with the EU novel food regulations. Milk is your statement about the future of supplements, clean, effective, and tasty. So, are you ready?